Welcome today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to enable ringtone volume on this device. So first way, you just go to the settings and here tap to the sound section. Right now we got here the ringtone volume section. Just to enable the ringtone volume, swipe with your finger these blue dots to the right side. And also we got the second way. Just here you should tap on you should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, to see the our volume panel. You can just make this by this way, just swipe to the up with your finger, and yes, can you see our ringtone volume is turned on. Also got the second way, just once tap here to the up volume button, and by this way you can turn on your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.